Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. This is your favorite girl Esther here again, and today I'm going to be talking about some side hustles in which you can make an extra income. I have so many side hustles in which you guys can make extra income. As you all know, this channel is all about how to make money online, how to improve your health and general well-being. So without much ado, I'm going to crack on, and please do like this video, do subscribe to my channel, and also share this information because it may help somebody. Thank you so much for that. So the first side hustle which one can do to make extra money is what? To become a social media manager. So social media is grown so much. It's more than just posting yourself on Facebook or Instagram. You can actually approach local businesses, people that are not used to social media, and offer your services to them, that you post, help them promote their businesses online, even churches as well, because I'm also a social media manager for my church, and it is a lot of work. So you can promote churches, charities, organizations. You can do that as well, and it's quite easy to do because you can actually outsource a lot of the work through various websites which I'm going to mention below. And also social media management, you don't have to post it by yourself. There's also tools which you can automate this posting process that will help you a lot. So social media management is another side hustle which you can do, and you can make a lot of money. They do, and a bit of money, quite a fair bit of money, because not everybody has the patience to be able to create posts that are engaging and entertaining, and that will be able to make people to subscribe to their brands or products or buy the products or services. So becoming a social media manager is a good side hustle for you. The next one is to sell products online. You can do that through Shopify, you can do that on eBay, you can do it on Amazon, and now I've been told you can actually sell on TikTok. Yeah, my son told me yesterday that, oh my mommy, can you buy me earpods on TikTok? And yeah, truly speaking, he almost bought the AirPods on TikTok, because they said, mommy, they're selling a lot of things on TikTok, and even my daughter bought a lamp on TikTok. So cheap products on TikTok, because I think TikTok has combined with Shopify, and so now they're offering like an online marketplace. So that's another way in which you can make extra money. You can source these products, cheap products, from places like Alibaba and AliExpress, and set yourself on either eBay or Amazon or TikTok. I think even Instagram as well. People do sell on Instagram as well, I have noticed too. Another thing you can do to make extra income is to start a YouTube channel, like I have done. Well, this is another good side hustle. It does take a bit of time and what can I say, know how to do, because you have to, number one, get a good niche about what people will be interested in listening to you for. So it's not every niche that people are interested in. So you have to pick a good niche. You have to also have a good camera, and you have to also have a good editor as well for your YouTube channel. So this is another good way in which you can make money on the internet through starting a YouTube channel. So people have been so successful, and they've actually quit their job through YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for helping. Thank you. We appreciate you, YouTube. We love you. So YouTube channel, start your YouTube channel. There is still growth in YouTube. I mean, when I started on YouTube, since I've noticed YouTube, you can actually do everything on YouTube. Everybody's experience is valuable on YouTube. There's a YouTube channel for everything you can think of in this world. So hey sis, hey bros, it's not too late for you. You can start that YouTube channel. You talk about yourself. That's what they call a vlog. You can also talk about other people. As become a blogger. There are lots of them out there. Being a blogger, you can be an entertainer. You can do your comedies and put them on the YouTube. And you can also do educational things on YouTube. So YouTube is vast. There is so much on YouTube. It's a very good platform and you can actually earn quite good money on YouTube and quit your job. Another way in which people can earn an extra income is by cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, that's the digital money. The daddy of all which we know is the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is an electronic money. So it's on the internet. You can buy Bitcoins, sell Bitcoins, and also other altcoins which you can buy and sell. You need to know when to buy when the price is low, and then you can sell them when the price is high. And also you can also invest in Bitcoins. Please, as I said before in my previous video, don't do too much. Please don't put all your money in Bitcoins or cryptocurrency, because at times cryptocurrency can go down, and then you don't lose money unless you sell, but you might need the money and you might have to sell at a loss. Cryptocurrency is huge now. Institutional investors are pouring money into cryptocurrency. I remember when I got started with cryptocurrency, one Bitcoin was about $3,000 and now it's hovering about like 41 to 43 US dollars as of today. So cryptocurrency is another way in which people can make an income too. There's also other parts of cryptocurrency as well, which is they're quite numerous. I'm going to have another video about those. You have the NFTs, you have the altcoins. This cryptocurrency is a fast-growing market, and there is so much to know about cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency trading and cryptocurrency investing is another way in which you can make an extra income, and it can be quite lucrative. But please, as I said, buyer beware. I do not advise you to put all your money in Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of the altcoins, please, because it is very volatile. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin can be, for instance, I would just say 43 now, and then before the end of the day, it can crash down to 35. It is extremely volatile. So please, tread with care and caution. Don't put all your money into cryptocurrency. Do not just do that, please, because a lot of people have been burnt and have been hurt. So please be very, very careful. Another way in which you can make extra money is by doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you help brands, you help websites to sell their products on your own platform. So as an affiliate marketer, you can sell other people's products, you can sell other people's brands on your own platforms such as YouTube or TikTok or Instagram. So this is another way. If you're very good at marketing, social media, you can make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is good, it's online, and I'm going to have a video about that shortly. Another way in which you can make money on online is by actually teaching on YouTube. You can teach your knowledge, your specialty, whatever you do on YouTube, and you can build up a community of people around you on the YouTube, which who will be wanting to hear from you and wanting to hear your knowledge. So you can start your educational channel on YouTube. You have people that they do makeup. You have people that teach people how to do hair. In African communities, people that know how to knot the gele. Me, I have never been able to do that, I must confess. But have people that teach people how to do the hair tie, teach people how to do sewing. There's so much on there, so you can sell your knowledge and promote your business on YouTube by setting up a YouTube educational channel. So that's another way of making money online, which is not that passive. But once you do the video, once you've done the work, and you get monetized, then you can that video, as long as it's there on YouTube, because I've seen people's videos that are they posted those videos 7 years ago, and if they're monetized, they'll still be earning some money from that video which they made 7 years ago. So it's a digital asset. It's putting your knowledge out there, and I think it's quite a good passive income. Once you've done the work, as I said, once you've done the work, you can make money on YouTube. Yes. So the next one again is, which I find is quite useful, is selling your skills on a website called Fiverr. There's these websites, Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour. You can set up yourself as anything, and as long as you have the skills, please guys, and then you can sell your knowledge on these sites. So on Fiverr you can get everything. On Fiverr you can get graphic designers on Fiverr. You can everything I can think of is on Fiverr. Piano teachers is on Fiverr. They're on Fiverr. English teachers are on Fiverr. Mentors are on Fiverr. So there's a lot of things you can get on Fiverr. So whatever your field is, you can set yourself up on Fiverr, and then you can earn money on Fiverr as well. So Fiverr, the link is down below, and that's another income. It's not as passive, but then it is an income online. You don't need to leave your house. Setting yourself as a coach or as a someone that does things with people, a virtual assistant on Fiverr. So it is quite useful. People have made a lot of money on Fiverr through setting up their sites, set up themselves on Fiverr. Another way in which you can make money on online is by having your own mentorship program. You can have your mentorship program if you are good at something, if you an area of specialty which you do know about. You can set yourself up as a mentor, and then you can sell that your information. You can teach people, you can coach people either online or on Zoom to be a mentor. So with that, you don't need to leave your house. You can do it at home. It's not as passive, but then it is a way of making money as well. It can be a side hustle for anybody that has a specialty knowledge, that wants to share their knowledge and help other people. Another way of making money online is also by doing a course, an online course. You can set up yourself. Rather than doing the course yourself, you can actually put your videos on a course, and then you can put that course on a website. There are various websites that sell these online courses, such as Udemy and also Skillshare, and then you can monetize. You can sell your courses, and people will watch you and take your course. So that is another way of making money. You do the work once, and then you get paid recurrent times for doing this work. So that's another way in which you can make money online, by setting your own online course. And a lot of people have made a lot of money, especially during the COVID period, through these online courses. Even there's so many courses, like for healthcare workers. We couldn't go to have our usual face-to-face CPD, so we had to do a lot of online courses, and this has been great. It has been phenomenal, and this trend is not set to slow down, because I think the era of face-to-face, it is gradually, it will still be there, but a lot of times now people just want the convenience of having a course that they can do from the house. You don't have to travel, so you can set yourself up as an online course provider. But you have to have a specialty. You need to know something, and then it is a lot of work initially to get the course going, but once you get it going, you can market that course, and then you should be able to make quite a bit of money from your online course. So that's another way of making extra money online. Other ways in which you can make money online through as I said, becoming an influencer. That is a very interesting one. This is when you yourself, you're a brand, and then you help other people that are other brands that want to leverage into your network, and you sell other people's products, other people's services to your own community. You can become a brand ambassador. Once you have a good following on Instagram or on YouTube or on Facebook, you can become an influencer, and then you can sell your own courses, you can sell your own products, and then you can also sell other people's products, other people's brands to your own community, and that is what's being called as an influencer. So that's another way in which you can become an extra side hustle. That does take a bit of time doing, as I said, because you can't become an influencer overnight. You have to have so many followers to become an influencer. So it will take a bit of time and a bit of patience, and also specialty knowledge, and also, you know, collaboration with other influencers online, so that you can get your own influence spread. So that will take a bit of time, but this is another way in which you can have an extra income from a side hustle. So another one again, which I'm almost missed out on, is by selling stocks and shares. So stocks and shares, I mean, in the last 1 year, they went up quite a lot. The FTSE and S&P 500 skyrocketed. So many people made a lot of money through stocks and shares investing. Last year, I think, slowed down a bit now because of the current economic turmoil, but it's always when there's blood in the streets, that is the best time to buy. So please don't be discouraged. If you haven't started yet, it's a good time to buy. So people have made a lot of money by buying stocks and shares and then keeping them for some time and actually selling. Another one stock that did so well last year was Tesla. Oh my God, I missed out on that. But I caught a little bit of the wave, but you know, that stock did so well. I think it went from, I think, 400 and something up to $1,200, and you know, people made a lot of money through stocks and shares, buying and selling. So this is another way of making extra money on the side as a side hustle. And also another one is, if you're good at thinking of names, you can actually flip domain names as well. You can go to websites such as GoDaddy, and that's one I can remember now. You can go to websites like that, and you can get a cheap domain name which has a potential, and then buy that domain name, and then later on in future you can actually sell that domain name when the domain name, somebody wants that domain name. You know, because some of these domain names, when they just come out, I think the .club, that one, when it came out, people were not, nobody knew about it so much. But now, because now there's, interest in people becoming influencers, there's Clubhouse, so people want that .club domain name. And now that domain name, if you got one, cheap at that time, now you can sell it for quite a lot of money, and it's an easy way of making extra money. You can just go on a website like GoDaddy and check what domain names are out there and buy that domain name and sit on that domain name. So that's another way of making extra money on the side too. So yeah, guys, so those are the side hustles I can remember at this time that I've told you about. So if you have any other side hustle, that is, digital side hustle, let me know in the comments below, and then, we can, do a video about that, and we can share our knowledge. And if there's anything else you want me to talk about on my channel, please let me know so that we can also talk about that in this channel. So thank you so much for listening. Hope this wasn't too long for you, and I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. Do please like this video, do subscribe to my channel, and also share to somebody. This may help somebody. Thank you so much, and take care, and God bless. Bye for now. Thank you.